I want to congratulate Coach Trabelsi and his team for qualification to the World Cup. We wish him all the best. We are going to root for them and all other countries that representing Africa at the World Cup. Today's match, I think it was unnecessary penalty kick. In the 27th minute, I think it was a good game for my guys. We started off very well, in good shape, good structure. But I think for the people to make that decision, I think that was not correct. They killed the game. And obviously after that, it's always going to be difficult to come back against a Tunisian team that is really good. And yeah, so after that, we considered the second goal and the third goal. And yeah, that's how the game went. Yeah.
So, Coach, you were talking about the referee's mistake again, but is it the same team you faced in the first leg in the AFCON, last AFCON in Underclass? And what changed? I mean, are you guys better or you are weaker than before?
No, I don't think we are weaker. I think obviously Tunisia has good individual players and they develop, but I think today it would have been a different match if we don't get a penalty in the 27th minute from nothing. I think that was unfair, that kills the game, and that is not fair. But with all of that, as I said, I congratulate Tunisia for the win and wish them all the best.